I'm just going to show you our installation here with the batteries and a bit of our setup here. So let's get into it. So I just wanted to give you an update on our solar panel installation here. As you can see, it's very sunny. I have to squint into the sun. You can see the solar panels collecting sunlight just behind me. So these are the portable solar panels that you saw me unpack in a previous video. I'll put a link in the top right corner for you just here. And we've had them, used them twice here at the shack. And this is just to show you the current installation. So what I've done is I've added a different charge controller to the original one that was here. I can't actually remove that one, it's stuck on with permanent glue. So I've added this other one because I can actually get a readout in front of me and I can actually see what's going on. It also includes 2 USB outs, so I can charge 2 USB devices, which is handy. And I can also set other levels, what the float level of batteries is. At the moment you can see it's pumping 13 volts outwards towards the battery storage. The batteries are showing as full. The arrow indicates which way the storage voltage is going, and so on. So that's a good major change. You can also hand a greater amount of amps through it. This one was only 10 amps, this is 30 amps, so that should also help upgrade it. So we have a cable that runs under the mat. The mat is just there to stop people tripping over it. And in the shack, in the corner here, we now have a battery bank. So these are 3 deep cycle large batteries that are used for many different purposes, but these are used specifically for golf carts. I was fortunate that I was able to visit a place that services golf carts. They had these second hand and I was able to get these very cheaply. But these are connected up in parallel to act as one very large 12 volt battery. So this should give us quite a lot of deep capacity now. The connection from the solar panel is up here on the positive and down here on this negative. As a tip, when you have a battery set up like this, a large parallel setup, and you're connecting devices to it to draw power, you should also connect it from a far side positive to the far side negative. If you connect from just across these battery terminals, it'll still draw power across all 3, but this one will get drawn the most. So by drawing across the whole span, I'm actually allowing the batteries to all provide equal amounts of voltage towards the output, and so they all act as one, and that should hopefully help prolong their life. So that connects to this 12 volt fridge, which I bought a little while ago. So this uses a heat exchange system for providing cool temperatures, and it cools this top element down. This is actually so cold it's almost, my hand's sticking to it, it's almost being frozen. So it works very effectively off these batteries. The batteries also power this 12 volt light that I've got hung up above the kitchen area. So this provides a great amount of light at night time. It's just connected to the battery system with light alligator clips, like normal battery clips, and that was just a pre-built light bar from JK Electronics sort of shop. And also you've seen the shower unit we have. I've connected the 12 volt pump to those the 3 deep cycle battery setup we have now there. So basically everything we have in the shack is now connected up to this system, and we're not quite sure of the full depth capacity we have here because these are used batteries, they're not new. They're several years old, they've been used in golf carts. We're at the moment just seeing how they react to being charged up and down, what their recharge is like, how long they're keeping their charge, and how long they can actually draw upon it. So it's all a bit of a test. Once we work out what our actual requirements are, we'll probably go and invest in some actual new bits and pieces and spend a bit more money here at the shack on our system. But at the moment it's working really well. we've got cold food, we've got hot shower, we've got light at night, so that's quite a lot of comfort. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it's helped a bit, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.